Welcome to PFTV. We have Sponiso. It's a 2-1 lose to Orlando Pirates. Ikima namhlanje ubone kanjani?
Eish, my brother. Difficult one, but so accept njalo. Hey, moyeka amathuba ke kubanje. First half siqale kahle igame. Qale kahle igame mfethu we had about 3 opportunities bekumele siwascore. Bekwa clear chances lawana ngome capitalize sawayeka. Yeah. So, hey moyeka amathuba ke igame yalahleka kanje. Yavela shintsha ke igame within a split second kwaba yes Sundowns. Yabo, but all in all they played well. They played well. Noma siwalahlile kamaphuzu, but we still in the race. League isasezandleni zethu, asipanic. Yeah. So all the way from eDlenko ngithi ngizolanda 3 points. Eish.
Kukuphi eDlenko?
eDlenko kuse KZN duze kwaseDanda uMzinyathi district. It's about 600 kilometers ngiza la engotravelile today. Ngihamba nomama, umama uphi manje mfethu somfihle.
But all is not lost, Pagania. We're still top of the table.
All is not lost, in fact. All is not lost. Cabanga birthday yami mfethu namhlanje.
Yeah.
Birthday yami namhlanje mfethu.
Birthday.
Ngizo celebrate kahle. Thanks my brother. Ngithi ngizo celebrate kahle ngo3 points but hayi. It's not lost in fact. Sasezandleni sethu khululeka. Siyabuya. Khona esizobhodla ngaba ngeke ngisho ukuthi obani. Khona esizobhodla ngaba kodwa maduze.
Ngithi ngiza kubo Pagani.
Yabona bazoza benale hope ukuthi ngoba down. Bayitshena ukuthi kuzoba easy game mase befika kithi kanti hayi. Nathi sobe sobuyisa induku.
Yeah. So Pagania, do you think coach wethu is approaching these big games with the right mentality? Because it seems like when you play against bigger opposition or oppositions that will level it, it seems like he likes to drop back and let them have the ball. Do you think that's the correct approach?
I used to say qala ukubuka first few games zakhe ngathi Abdeslam ugood analyzing igame and choosing ama player right for their lauma opponents. Yazi ifike ilahleke phi mfethu. Ilahleka mase kwenziwa ama substitutions. I think lapha efika ilahleke khona. But uqala igame iplan yakhe mawuthi uyayibheka each and every game, ilineup yakhe usuke choose ngendlela yokubheka ukuanalyze ama opponents ukuthi kanjani. Like today's game mfethu mawuthi uyabheka. There was a reason why efake usibilibili today. You understand? There was a reason why emgcinile umbuthuma isikhathi eside kanje. Kuukuthi iplan azange sebenze. Ugood, but when it comes to making ama changes, I think lapha elahleka khona. But choosing a lineup right for that oppositions, ugood. And that's why Sundowns kumele sikhile in the first 30 minutes. Because the plan was there. It's just that yasiyahlahleka during ama substitutions. That's why singazange sisadlala kahle.
And then Pagania, do you think there was a penalty lapho about triple khona uMaswanganye and then Sundowns went on to score? Do you think that was a penalty?
Before ngiye ukuthi penalty noma akuyona. Bethu it's not a must ukuthi kumele ukhiphe ibhola ngaphandle mangabe kunomdlalo phansi ne. It's one of those things esibiza ngama fair play which afika they come natural to my players ukuthi ke mangabe kunomdlalo phansi ukhiphe ibhola ngaphandle. Well Sundowns azangikwenza lokho. Yabo, well ba capitalize futhi on that. Yabo, so singasho sithi fair players angibabe nayo but ke akuyona into esingama ngayo le si Orlando Pirates yabo, because now it's not a must ukuthi kumele balikhiphe ibhola. Yabo. Moving on mfethu to the decision ya ref. Ngithe mangibuka i-positioning ka ref, uref was very far from their incident leyana. Mangibuka uref was very far, so naye even though ngathi ubebuka ukuthi ngenzeka kube penalty but bengekho sure because befa kakhulu, so bekunzima uthatha leya decision leyana. To me it was a penalty mangiyibuka, but ngokwe position ka ref udoubtile because ube very far.
I do referee no linesman. I need to be working as a team. I think linesman should have picked that up. For me, it was a straight pen.
Yes, definitely it was a straight pen. Nama ngibuka from that distance it was a penalty, but ngoka ref ngibuka it was far, so usabili wenza that decision. As well as assistant referee naye usabili ukuthatha leyo decision le. Because now belinda ukubuka ureferee ukuthi ureferee uyajudge. Urefa akajudge. hayi nami uthi ngilibeke phansi iduka uthi ngithule. So kube nalokho kusaba between both of them. Uref ungabaziswe i-distance abekuyona ukuthi akaboni kahle no linesman wabona ukuthi ayi uref mayithule ayi nami awuthi ngithule. Yes, that's what happens bethe bowling.
All right. No, thanks Pakani Abopha.
Siyabonga. Bopha.